Okay, I'm videoing.
Okay, this is how you pick up a ball. Okay. Step up.
Do people like to look at it?
I don't know, honey.
Step up.
But they have videos of other parallettes on there, you know?
Look at the dog. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Here, here.
Look, 2 fingers.
Oh, wow. Albert, make a better door than a window.
Let me give it a door. Why don't he fly? Here.
What do parrots push it in his mouth like this?
Peter, put him up there so I can...
We gotta call him something else besides Jim.
Okay, baby Ann, don't do
There's
that.
too
You're
many
gonna get
Jims
all
around
stones
here.
in there.
All right, there's
Step up.
four kids here. Who wants? What are we gonna call him?
Jim.
Yeah, but we got Jimmy. We got Jimmy out there.
Step up. Okay. Step up on the other.
Cutie Pie. Here,
Thank you.
Cutie Pie is a cute
Step
name.
up. Oh boy.
What if he flies
Nanny,
around
oh
the
boy.
house?
Step up.
Put him on there.
Step up. Step up. Okay, baby Anna. Anna.
You'll be you staying too, huh?
Yeah, isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Put him on the rope.
Yeah. Step up.
Put him on the
Whoa.
rope.
Baby Anna, don't do that.
I can't believe he knows how to step up already.
Don't step up.
Step up, bud. Come on, bud. Fly. He likes this thing.
No, don't fly. You don't fly all over the room.
That would be
Put him on that?
crazy.
Yeah. Okay. Step up. See?
He's good boy.
Good boy.
Step